Kan long shisha kasngi ke bansa jikan mau nak banta ki bor nang punya school kumjuru iki kena school jengko Oasis secondary school nang po hak bakani ke school menta kala pengkre syat ban rakhe ya kalungku snem ka ba arpusan lani ka jubili rupa ka banlong hak nyu tarik Naiwieng arja khnai katkum ke jingekren berkakong bi marbanyang ka badiru ka secretary ka managing committee baru ka head teacher jengko Oasis secondary school kala pentep balaseng ye kani ging school akashi tarik ulber kakhnai spa khnai pusau daga jingang not ban peniar ye ujeli jong ka jingnang jing start hapo ka than nyang po kumta na kaliang ka managing committee jong ka school kala nang perkre syat ban polong ye kani ka jing rakhe ye ka jubili rupa ka basyongkun bat ka bansa jingkan mau ka history jong kani ka school bagi kena school kumta kala khot laweru ya borok kino hikai barim ki kena school barim bat kitu ki baladon benta bat kani ka school bakinya poirenti haka nyotrik Naiwieng aja ka khandai bani sementa hakani ke jirakhe ya ke jubili rupa.
Oasis Secondary School Naiwieng will celebrate its Silver Jubilee celebration on the 7th of November 2019 at 11 a.m. sharp. So I, as the Secretary of the School Managing Committee, cordially invites all the ex-teachers and past pupils to be part of this auspicious celebration. Thank you.